In this lecture, we're going to create our sign-up screen, which is very similar to what we've done in the previous lecture with the login screen. So we're just going to duplicate the login screen here by using Alt and click and drag. So let's rename the screen. Then what we can do is to first of all get rid of this section at the bottom. Then we're going to move this title on top and we're going to rename it. And then we can take these elements here, move them at the bottom about here, and we can select these two fields and duplicate them, drag them on top. And now we just have to rename a few fields, like here. Some random name here. I'm going to change the age field. Now we need to get rid of the little dots down here and replace it with some text, which we're gonna copy from here. And we're just gonna move down this layer. Okay. And then we need to make these changes to the button. Center it. And align everything. And as a last thing, let's just tidy up the fields a little bit, the layers, sorry. I'm gonna rename to number 2, number 3, field number 4, the last one. And here we go, our sign up screen is done.